Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride and Thrill. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and iconic bikes on the planet, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2. Kawasaki has taken their legendary Supercharged Ninja H2 and packed it with even more power, technology, and style for this new model. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of speed, performance, and pure adrenaline. So let's jump right in and take a closer look at what makes this machine so special. Starting with the engine, Kawasaki has kept its signature 998cc supercharged inline-four, but the 2025 model has received refined tuning for an even smoother, more responsive ride. This engine pushes out over 200 horsepower, and that supercharger gives it an insane power delivery, allowing it to pull like a beast straight from low RPMs. With each twist of the throttle, the H2 delivers breathtaking acceleration, and it's really like no other feeling on the road. Kawasaki has also refined the electronics to make sure all that power remains manageable, giving you confidence whether you're on the highway or hitting high speeds on the track. Speaking of technology, the 2025 Ninja H2 comes equipped with some of the most advanced electronics in the superbike world. You've got Kawasaki's traction control system, the KTRC, which adapts instantly to road conditions to give you maximum grip and control. It also includes Kawasaki Launch Control and Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System, KIBS, which together make it easier to handle all that raw power while providing optimal braking control. And new for this year, there's an updated quick shifter that offers seamless gear shifts up and down, adding to the thrill of high-speed riding without losing a second. Another feature Kawasaki has enhanced is the ride comfort. For 2025, they've made improvements to the suspension, making it more adjustable and tuned for both road and track use. The bike feels more stable even at extreme speeds, and the new seating material and ergonomics make it surprisingly comfortable for longer rides. Kawasaki knows this is a machine people will want to ride both for performance and pure enjoyment, so they've really fine-tuned these details to deliver an incredible experience. When it comes to styling, the Ninja H2 is as bold and aggressive as ever, with Kawasaki's signature metallic paint that shines brilliantly in the light. This year, the graphics have been refreshed, giving it an even more futuristic look. Those sharp, aerodynamic lines combined with a trellis frame not only look amazing but help keep the bike stable and agile at high speeds. It's unmistakable on the road, and anyone who sees this bike immediately knows it's something special. For the 2025 model, Kawasaki has also introduced a full-color TFT display with integrated Bluetooth, so you can connect your smartphone and control music, calls, and navigation right from the dashboard. It's an awesome addition that brings some smart tech to the experience, and it really adds to that feeling of riding a high-tech superbike. Now, let's talk about who this bike is for. The Ninja H2 isn't just for anyone, it's for those who want an ultimate thrill ride and the very best in performance. In India, the H2 is an exclusive and aspirational machine, made for those who are passionate about riding and pushing boundaries. This is not your everyday bike, it's a true performance machine that's designed for the rider who's looking for something unmatched in power, style, and technology. So there you have it, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2, a supercharged masterpiece that combines raw power, advanced tech, and jaw-dropping looks. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or a Kawasaki fan, this bike is one that gets your heart racing just by looking at it. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Ninja H2, and if you could see yourself riding one of these monsters. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, subscribe to Ride and Thrill for more exciting bike content, and we'll see you in the next video.